So we had about 3/4 of an inch of rain last night. I was walking along in these fresh puddles here, and I was like, what the heck is making these lines? And you see Murphy adding some tracks to it, but it's a little bit soft mud, but not horribly soft. And what I realized is right there, you can see there's a worm. And it's actually worm tracks. I had no idea that worms made such an impression on the mud here, but I have them all along. Oops, here's one right here. He's cruising right on along. See him right there. And right now the sun is coming out, so hopefully he's going to find a nice little place to hide before the sun bakes him and his buddies. But you can see along here, just worms all over the place. I guess I could say I've got worms, and it's a great thing. That's it for here.